Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop, and today I wanted to talk about a topic that's hot right now. A lot of people ask me, Alex, what is the best prop firm? What do you think is the best prop firm out there right now? So for me, this prop firm, Funded Trading Plus, is one of the best prop firms out there. Okay, I'm going to tell you why. Okay, so it's for me, I rate this like on the same level as FTMO because Funded Trading Plus has been really amazing over the years to me. I've never had an issue with them. They've always paid out, never made any excuses or anything like that. So that's why I rate Funded Trading Plus. And you can see their Trustpilot score is 4.7 right now, and they've got a couple of really good reviews. Okay, so 92% is 5-star rated. 92%. Normally you don't see that, right? Normally you don't see prop firms that have that many 5-star ratings, and 1-star ratings only 2%. Of course, you're always going to have one or two customers that are not happy for whatever reason. But Funded Trading Plus has always been really good to me, and they recently launched a feature that I have been waiting for. Actually, I never thought they would, right? But they have launched a feature, and I'll tell you what that is in a second here, that I have been waiting for, okay? And it's the Prestige program. All right, so let me tell you about what that is. So when you're on Funded Trading Plus, they have a couple different phases. They have a 1-phase program. They have a 2-phase program. They have an instant, which is a no evaluation program. And then they have an experience program. All right, the experience. So on the 1-phase program, it's called the experience program. I normally don't do the 1-phase. I normally go for the 2-phase program. And then instant is like, you're basically getting an instant account. So you don't have to go through the challenges if you go for that, but it's more expensive. Like, for example, a $25,000 trading size is like $1,000. $100,000 is like $4,500. So I don't go instant. I go for the challenges, right? Which is the 2-phase, right? So 2-phase challenges. There's Prestige, which is the new challenge I want to talk about. All right, and then they have the premium, and then they have the advance. Premium and advance fairly similar. Okay, fairly similar, but the Prestige one, and I want to talk about that, right? The Prestige one is what I'm loving right now. I'm loving it because the drawdown is static. All right, what does that mean? Well, let's say you're on an advanced program, all right, on a 100K challenge. Normally, if you make 5% gain, that means that, let's say the total drawdown is 10%. All right. What that means is that you cannot now lose more than 95K. Right. So the drawdown literally moves up with you as you make profit on the account. All right. So if you are literally at 105, right, $105,000, and you slip past 95K, you lose that challenge. But with their new Prestige program, the drawdown is always static, meaning that it always stays at 90K. So even if you're at 105, it's still at 90K, which is really sweet. Now, before they had this change, for me, FTMO was a top notch, right? But after this change, for me, Funded Trading Plus, I'm loving it. Why? Because the withdrawals are quicker. Like the withdrawals, to withdraw is you only have to wait 7 days, right? Most prop firms you have to wait like 2 weeks, right? But with Funded Trading Plus, you only have to wait 7 days. And then with their advanced program, the first drawdown is literally day 0, like meaning right after you get your challenge account, you could literally withdraw the very next day whatever profits that you made. But again, I still rather prefer the Prestige program because the drawdown is static. Because with the premium and advance, the drawdown is trailing, right? Which is that example that I just explained. So Prestige program is where it's at. And to put my money where my mouth is, I actually purchased the Prestige program. It literally launched last week, and I purchased it on Friday. I purchased it on Friday, and you can see my purchase over here. And already, today was Monday. My first trading day was today, and I'm already almost up 5%, right? So, 4.58% gain in literally one day. Okay. Now, the other caveat to this is that you have to have 3 days where you're profitable at least 0.5%. Okay, so meaning I have one day where I'm profitable, more than 0.5%. I need 2 more days where I'm profitable more than 0.5%. Okay, that's all that simply means, and that's fine. That just means that, like, literally it's a minimum of 3 days to pass the challenge. That's all that means, right? Where you're making 0.5%, and that's really, really easy to do, right? So I took this trade today on pound CAD, and I took it based on my dashboard indicator. Okay, and I'll show you a picture of that. But before I do that, if you're interested in getting this challenge, I have a link in the description. You can go ahead and use my link there. It's in the description. And there's a promo code that I have. It's called TAKE10, TAKE 10. So I have that right under the description. And you can use that for an extra 10% off, okay, to get 10% off your challenge here. Okay. All right. So let me show you the trade that I took this morning. So this morning I was looking at my dashboard, and I basically focused on the stop hunt column, and I focus on the pair, right? Whatever pair that I'm trading. PFHL tells me the direction, which is PFH just means that I need to look for sells. So it's red. And then I look at the stop hunt column. So whether stop hunt H just means that I'm looking for sells, right? And stop hunt L would mean I'm looking for buys. But anyway, the one highlighted is basically the pair that is telling me to focus on. So it's telling me that pound CAD is in a really good selling condition. And it's telling me that the sell score is roughly about 7 out of 11. The higher the better, but 7 is still a really, really good sell score. So from there, I then went to that pair, and pound CAD, I looking at it this morning, I caught it at the top here, and you can see where I caught it from. This is literally where I caught it from here, where that red circle is, or sorry, where that blue box is that I just put my thin around. That's where I caught it from. And then I exited right here. It went a little bit down further, but honestly, I was almost at 5%, so I was good with that, and I exited right there for the trade. So kudos to the dashboard for helping me plug in and grab that winning trade. 4.5%. 2 more trades where I make. Basically, I have to get to 110 again, which is easy to do. So 2 more trades, I should be able to knock it off and pass that challenge, and then on to second phase, and then which is a lower target, 5%, and then then I have a funded account after that. So Funded Trading Plus, if you're looking for a prop firm to get, I rate them. They're a really, really good prop firm, and you can go with that one. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Telegram.